Have you ever had a car that's been damaged by a stone chip, a scratch, a scuff or a dent? Well, the fact is that most cars will suffer some form of minor cosmetic damage. It's almost unavoidable and hardly ever your fault. Regardless of how much care you take of your car, accidental damage happens and you just can't prevent the careless actions of other people. Claim for this type of damage on your motor insurance and you'll lose your no claims bonus. Your premium will increase and you'll have a hefty excess to pay. But there is some good news though. With our Scratch and Dent Insurance in place, you'll enjoy a market-leading policy that takes care of minor cosmetic repairs up to 30 centimetres in diameter. You can make claims up to a total of £3,000 over the period of cover, and all repairs are carried out at your home or place of work by highly skilled technicians. And it's not just an insurance, it's a service too. Claims on our minor cosmetic damage cover include scratched or scuffed mirror castings, stone chips, car door onto car door dents, scuffed bumpers and scratches, damage that if unrepaired can deteriorate and devalue your car. Claiming is so easy. Simply take a photo of the damage, email it to our insurer's claims team and they'll do the rest. There's no excess to pay, and in most cases the insurer pays the repairer directly. It couldn't be quicker or more convenient. Now, this cover will help you keep your car's bodywork in pristine condition and help maintain its maximum value. If you financed or leased, it could help you avoid charges for damage when you hand the vehicle back. Cover costs from as little as 30 pence a day and is available for new and used vehicles, but it's only available to buy within a limited number of days after vehicle delivery. So don't delay, head to car2cover.co.uk for more information and full insurance terms and conditions. We've been trusted by thousands of customers every year since 2007 to provide high quality products at low prices. You'll be reassured to hear that we are independently 5-star rated, authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, and all policies are covered under the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. It really is as good as it gets. Thanks for watching. We hope this information has helped, and don't forget to check out our other really helpful videos.